Hey boy, Richie feelings. Imagine. Me and you are good friend. But it's so wicked, my youth. Wicked feelings. Me and you are good friend. Look how we live at Jamaica. You know, Lam could get one elephant and put on the internet and say, I Richie feelings. We don't do it, you know.
Yeah.
Where get that camel from my youth?
I Richie feeling, babe. Richie feeling, yeah, wicked.
Dirty for China chin, I can't talk about, say. Him who don't want to wake up side a ninja man. Now listen, girl. Look at this ugly face. You notice one of my friends them say, when them look for my face, then remember the whole time typewriter. It always go two sides the road. So this is not one face or one mouth if you come ramp with because I no gully back mouth this. And me no lie with dog. So me no rise with flea. So you look a dirty foot chin. We are dancehall mattress where every artist ride out, every selector drive out. Till you couldn't find nothing until I go back here for drive. Don't ramp with me. Cause any day me wake up with somebody like in my bed, me ask God what me do. What kind of sin me create my him do me do it. You come like when the gully come down. Just the dirty water we see when we see you. And we are ramp with. Chin don't perplex my tranquility cause you is nobody. Listen, if you want to root a callaloo, I will thief them for you. You hear? Because you're supposed to hungry and because where your desk look where you go pick up gully bap. And you and him disappear like back.
A few moments later.
Me have one thing to tell you, Lisa. Any day I know your yard, your security them better can shoot good. Come here, come thief your callaloo lady. How you feel like? You sure you a minister? Eh? And she is a MP and she is Miss Jamaica, Miss World. Your security then could have high like it felt the tree at Charlton. Me a broke in your yard, me a thief your callaloo. And if you have pop chow, me a thief it. If you have we call it cabbage, lettuce. Let me tell you something, tomatoes, pepper, lady, I'm coming to thief your callaloo.
No video.
When buy you something?
Yeah. Yo, look on it.
Jamaica most famous is
Who the clash? Oh.
Who the clash?
Oh, listen now.
Yeah.
Look how me dress.
Yeah.
Me don't have no time to mix up with them like a normal.
No. A four year don't have them clothes there. 4 year now. What?
You talk to me, remember my boat.
Ninja, what am I doing, Ninja?
When me wear sweatsuit or when me a train for DJ, you know.
Yeah.
I'm wearing suit now that I'm a killer DJ. I don't waste time with trainers.
Yeah.
Train me a train.
No.
Remember, long time DJ. Yeah,
Kill it.
Where are